Here on this Just Dusted Little YouTube channel.
This is Randy Hutchins Jr. I love the music.
Yes, the bad news is that's a rod.
Previously on Never Done Projects.
Well, hello everyone. A little bit different on my briefing. It is Tuesday, July 1st, 2025. Half the year's done gone. This is week of the fourth week. Gonna be a short work week, which means we got more time at the shop. But if y'all watched yesterday, y'all hear a termite talking? Y'all watched yesterday, y'all saw us tear this motor down and do the motor Monday and tore it down, and we got to see exactly what I did to mess up the piston. So I believe what we're going to do today for today's agenda is we're going to finish taking the spark off and the front pulley, flip it over. We're going to take the crank out of it and all the pistons. What we'd like to see by the end of this today is down to a bare block, and then we're going to go from there. We're going to talk to somebody, see if we can send it to a machine shop or something, and see exactly what we're going to do with it. So Randy and I might break our teeth right here on this one right here and see if we can build one while we got this one right here going. We do have several motors, but we may go do this one. Like I said, we are going to do the LS swaps, but our goal is to one of my goals is to have it where if we needed a spare we could. But I think we are going to take and do a carburetor on this one. So we may put it in something else. I don't know. We're going to try something here. So bear with us as we go today and try to get this motor right here tore all the way apart. And look at here. Look at here.
Those are my shorts.
Randy has
Don't you ignore me.
well, I'm doing a briefing here. You can talk to me about shorts after I get done with this briefing. So now, Randy's here. And is there anything other than tearing this motor apart you would like to see get done today?
I have to use the bathroom.
TMI. But anyway, remember, there's 1,440 minutes in every day. Stay positive. I did let somebody get into mine today, but hey, this motor's going to make me a little bit more happier. So anyway, stay with us as we go right here and try to tear into this thing, and stay positive. Stay away from negativity. And don't worry. Be happy. And I do appreciate every one of y'all watching. Thank you.
I itch the butt, #1 thing. Previously on Never Done Projects.
Good. Alright, that might be a silly question, but do we have the bearing pulley to get that pulley off?
I'm not sure, there's one down here, let me go look. I didn't know you had that recording.
Well, we're also live.
Let me go check.
Hello everybody. Welcome back to your friendly neighborhood, Never Done Projects. Here it is. Hey, Southern.
This is not gonna be right.
Southern Dan.
Hey, Southern.
Let's see. Oh, he is now the #1 fan of the live.
All right.
Don't tell Lotus, he might get upset. Let's see. Gotta see if you can actually see or not. Let's see. #1 customer all day. All right. Let's see. I already got oil on my hand. I hadn't even started working. How you been today, Southern? But just so everybody knows, live over here, tomorrow's video camera over here. Hey, Reaper. Yeah, definitely hot today, buddy. I hear clicky clacky. Somebody needs to keep it still. I bet you that's not going to do like I want it to. Work in Myrtle Beach. Hot, scenery was good. Hey, that makes a difference having good scenery. Well, that come up better than I expected. Now, will you remove thyself? No, it will not. Surprise! Uh-oh, Reaper, you figured out who was on your land. The big question, what Southern just asked, who might it have been? And the real question is, are they past tense? Reaper, I saw your post on the community page. That looks absolutely gorgeous, buddy. I could not figure out how to comment though. Alright everybody, for video sake and live sake, there should be, I think, 3 bolts holding the Optus part on. 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, that looks to be it. They are 10 millimeters. Just a couple of idiots. Idiots is definitely an understatement for that one. But first thing I need to do is I need to get this main pulley off. But there are 3 10 millimeter bolts, and it should just pop right off. But like I said, first things first, gotta get the pulley off. What do you go to? I bet you go to the water pump. So, Dad's supposed to be finding the bearing puller. And once he finds that, I should be able to pull that right off. Oh, he's coming with a picture of Pandora. Did you find the bearing puller?
No, son, that's why I said let's find everything before we go live.
Oh. I got my automotive hammer. This is the correct way, right? I think that was the old pump. Reaper said he figured out who was on his land.
Oh, really?
He said they were just a couple of idiots. I said, well, they working past tense now.
They weren't the ones that broke in, were they?
I bet you they were.
Whatever that is. Okay. It's the oil pump, okay. It still works. Yeah, there's the shaft. Yeah. Huh. Cool beans. Southern, I don't remember. Did you make it in yesterday and get to see the carnage on this motor? Because if you did not, I think we got kind of lucky. Go on the land again, they might be past it. I don't blame you. Not in the slightest. Nope, that ain't gonna work. Hey, Bob! You like big bucks, just no Diddy. Seems like somebody who likes Diddy would be saying that. Hey, big boy toys. I misunderstood the assignment and started the live a little bit earlier than I should have. Oh, you missed it. Oh. I don't think you can make that one work. That's the rear axle pull. I don't know where it is.
There's your piston. I thought all the rings survived, but one did detonate. Oh, he moves back.
You mean, hey?
Oh, Daryl's on the road, but he's listening.
Hey, Daryl.
Hello from England. He says, the greatest of the nations. Bob said, England is an island, not a nation. M said, a messy kitchen. This is definitely a messy kitchen. But Southern, Emu said hello.
Hello.
The piston did not tear up the cylinder wall, to my surprise. Woohoo! Reaper's good friends with the town sheriff. That's dangerous. Let's see if that's the right angle of the dangle. Let's see. No, we do not eat horse in the America land. Reaper be snitching. We do not eat horse in America land. If you do, it's at Taco Bell. Let's see. This is a rear axle bearing puller. Don't love it, man. This thing's already been repaired once. Not by us, though. I don't even know what I'm supposed to be using.
I don't know. Just have to do what we can. And if we can't find it tonight, we'll just.
What doesn't help is this was not ours, and it was given to us. Let's see here.
Well, I've got a pulley. I've got two of them, but I'm about sure they're on the desk at the house.
Probably. Oh, Daryl said unless you go to Burger King, you don't eat horse here. It's the centerpiece. I already got it out. But I don't think those three come out.
What are they both? What are they there for?
I have no idea. Yeah, I bet you this ain't gonna work.
Oh, I'm sure it's not.
Oh, Vic's here.
Hey, Vic.
Let's see. Thin slices of horse meat roasted in a pan with olive oil. Let's see what.
That's not gonna work, me.
Southern said we got lucky. Hemu said WTH, no one eats horse. We in England won't eat any kind of horse. What do you call a French man that's attacked by a cat? I don't know. Wait for the response. Madison said hi.
Hey, Madison.
Dad's in the mood.
No, I just. Never mind.
Let's see here. Bob said y'all need a trusty methadone American, a Mexican American that cleans walls, shop up, and organizes. Yeah, trusty Mexican American, Bob. Taco Bell is northern muskrat. I believe that. They eat horse in Italy. Southern said, Bob, all the good, trustworthy crackheads are gone. Morning, Vic. Oh, Daryl said he'll be right back. He's got to order his ice cream now.
Oh, here we go with ice cream.
Vic said orange.
Vic said what?
Orange. A-R-T. Well, I really thought we were going to get this Opti spark off. I'm sure we can figure it out. Where is the screwdriver?
It's sitting right in that drawer.
Oh!
Let me use my mechanic's hammer here.
Vic said it's 7:30 a.m. here Wednesday morning. Tell me, should I go to work on Wednesday or not? How is Wednesday?
Hey, look, this is a 327.
You know, the first time I got underneath this motor and pulled this stupid bearing off, I thought it was a 327. I was thoroughly confused.
I'm sure you're not supposed to be doing that.
Let's see here. Reaper said they also took my venison. Oh yeah, they would have been passed in. Oh, Bob said he'll be back. He's got a fit to the chocolate. Vic said, don't stay home, take a break. It's going to be hot. See, I like this person too. Automotive camera. So, what do we do in the meantime?
Well, just take all these bolts. I mean,
Well, time to take the rods off.
see, this one's not stuck. They should be able to come off.
Oh, I've already rotated the motor on actually.
Yeah, they take everything off of it.
Well, 5/8 says it's going to fit. For the rod caps. 3% hopefully I'll find it. big boy, I think Vic is a fellow Australian. I could be wrong on that.
That ain't what I'm trying to do. Need to rotate the engine a little bit, see.
Hey.
Can you reach that one there? Rotating up to get that now. This is not. Wait a minute. Well, never mind. The engine, not the motor. This. Look. Stop. This has got to rotate so you can get that nut. Rotating that only rotates this engine. Like for instance, if you want to go ahead and take this and loose while it's right there, you could probably do that. And loose it.
I'm telling y'all, Dad's in the mood today. I started the recording too soon. I did for this. Just so everybody knows, this is a delicate process.
I know I'm not doing it right, but like you said, it's not like
any of it's any usable anyway.
look at that.
I think they're all like that. Yeah. Madison said unfortunate. What?
You didn't listen, probably.
Oh, Kim said, "Oh, I've just noticed. Looks like you shaved your beard off, aren't you?" That's what Madison said. Unfortunately, yes, I trimmed my beard, and it's been very wonderful. It's not near as hot with a trimmed beard. It's still hot.
If it goes much further, it's going to be in the oil, so. But I'm trying to figure out where you're going to work. Are you just going to take all the bolts off, or?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're not going to worry about taking the caps off. You're just going to randomly take bolts loose.
Yes.
Okay. I'll wait for you to randomly take bolts loose.
Oh, okay. Cool. Hey, these main caps are not hot. The city of the churches. Alright, how's the bearing look? That looks fine to me. We could have ran this motor for a couple 100,000 miles. Look at that. Looks fine.
I promise I'll be a little bit more delicate when I put it back together.
No, it won't. That bearing looks fine.
Now, that goes on that side.
That bearing looks hot.
Whew. This one's missing.
What?
No, so that's it.
Alright, so this one goes over here. I don't know which main cap or the rod cap goes with it.
I don't think it's going to matter because it's not.
It's not going back in. None of the pistons, none of the rods, the crank is not either.
Watch that piece right there.
Yeah, careful, that's a little frayed up from the battle.
I can handle this side, it's the other side you need. Put your finger right there. Put it that way, probably. Yes, Madison, I like it when he ignores me too.
Vic said, dude, I woke up looking hot and cold.
Is you sure it didn't hold up?
Yeah, that's all.
How not to disassemble the engine?
How me so good? How much you pay for the new guy?
That's pulling on this side, it needs to be this side. This side's loose. That piece is gonna fall out when it does it. We'll see if you pull that side out. Keep pulling the top, you need to pull the bottom. Something must be.
Hey, Adam.
Hey Adam. This side here is loose. Look, this side moves.
The other side moves too.
The other side does not move, or it'd come off. And just had it moved.
Don't even have a bearing on it. Did we drop a bearing somewhere? Because if not, there's no bearing on this. There is no bearing on this one.
It's probably part of it. It probably come out because this was the one beside it. But see, like there's those bearings.
Okay, that would make sense.
It come out with it.
This one goes where?
It come out this side, so it goes over there.
Oh, hey.
It went on the first one. Alright. Run it around a little more.
Dad's had a bad day. Adam said they usually have arrows or dots. I dropped the bearing.
They probably did before we made marks all over them.
Look at the bottom of this piston strip. You can see it. It's broken. Oh, Adam said the main caps.
Oh.
See, look here. Hey, Impala.
I got that side moved, this side's not.
Another hammer.
We're gonna get a phone call from Daryl, we keep on.
As long as I don't break it, I'm done better than Daryl did with his. There we go. And if I do break it, it'll be okay.
Yeah, thought I had enough to squeeze me over a little bit.
Yeah, there's shards of metal in the oil pump too. Surprise! Adam said mark the orientation and the numbers.
Well, we were trying to take them off in the right direction.
Adam, I don't think that's going to happen, dude. But I can tell you which one was number 5.
This one that's not assembled right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a lot of people probably gritting their teeth right now.
I can't.
But this is why I say it doesn't really matter, because it's all chewed up.
Yeah, the crank's shot.
I'm just hoping the block's not.
As long as the block is salvageable. We'll figure the rest out.
Hey, if it's not, at least we're having fun taking apart.
Yep. We got the start motor Monday. This is how 1,000-mile or 1,000 horsepower motors are built, everybody. Flatheads and no knowledge.
Already been 30 minutes. Lord, look at the heat on that one.
Let's take this and get this off first.
Can you get underneath the other side?
Or tap it or. There, what?
Let's see here. Adam said, just pay attention to the mains marking number so you don't have to line home.
What does it mean?
I'm pretty sure we're going to need a line home. Big Boy Toy said, what do you call a hippie, what name do you call a hippie's wife? Good night, Vic. Stay safe, buddy.
Night, Big.
Mississippi. Mississippi. Yeah. It's funny. Laugh.
I did.
Damn! Don't break the piston. You chipped it.
Well, help me instead of bitch at me.
We'll see.
Go home when you get that.
Hey, Tulu. Adam
Hey,
said,
reach under and grab it.
main German cats on the block, not the rods.
Reach under and see if you get that. Never mind, I got it. There's the bearing right there. You got the bearing? No. Bearing right there. Yeah. Now, since you randomly took bolts off, can you randomly take that off? Since you didn't. And I think you left that one too.
That's about as bad jokes. As bad as jokes come, LOL. But it was funny.
It is. I just.
Dad's a little frustrated because I turned the live on too soon.
Well, I know we got them here. Look, that's gonna fall. Be careful that piston.
I think it's safe to say that this crank is
All right,
pretty
now,
well shot.
that pan, that has to come off, don't it? And that can't come off till this does, right?
The OptiSpark is held on with one bolt. It's held on by 10 millimeters, this bolt right here. But I have to slide it out to get it out. That has to come off. So yeah, until we get a bearing puller.
Hey,
Well, I'm trying to get this out, but
we'll turn it a little bit now. Now try the other way. You want that back in there?
so, I mean,
Well,
they all look like they got a little, especially this one here. Not sure. This one might be our
that don't
culprit.
look good at all. Feel that?
Show the camera.
The camera or the?
Show both. Hello, Jane. Tulu, I heard you like our intro. If you're interested, Mike can help you. I don't know what you want your intro to be, but I'm sure I can figure it out. So, y'all take a look right here and notice how bad it's scored up.
That poor bad right now. That got big old. It ain't smooth.
That ain't good.
Yeah. But see, I really.
In that case, now grab the live.
I will.
Oh, don't go boom. Stay.
Okay, everybody. See, that's the original. Oh, I can see a lot better on that one. Whatever right there is absolutely painful if you hit it too hard.
Notice how discolored it is.
And then this really took a beat. That is, like I said, now the only thing I see, whoa, what is that? Look at that. Can y'all see that down in there?
I think that might be far enough down where it'll be okay.
I don't know.
I mean, it turns over fine.
Well, that just that, but look right there, see?
7.
Can y'all see that? I can't really. Yeah, the crank is definitely toast, big boy.
Adam said file it, it'll be fine.
That,
He said the board will file that.
okay.
My hands are perfect.
Let's see, I found the same crack in my first 350.
Well, that's pretty much a sit still on this for right now.
Yeah, until, like I said, I know we
can
got
run to the store,
no, I'm not buying another one, we got them at the house. I've got a puller, I've actually got 2 of them, and I know there's one here. I just, do not know where it is. Hey, when you come back, bring a drink. But I'm gonna walk in here for a minute. I'm gonna lie, I'm a little hot. But,
Hello?
Where'd he go? Oh, he's in the office now. we'll see what else we can figure out. Thank y'all.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.